In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell digital products in Gumroad. We'll walk through the full process from logging into publishing, so by the end you'll have a live product ready to share and sell. Start by heading to gumroad.com and logging into your creator account. If you're new, make sure you're using an email you can access easily, and consider verifying your payout details in your account settings ahead of time so you can receive funds without delays. Once you're in the dashboard, open the product section and choose new product. This is where you'll begin the setup. You'll see options for different product types. Select digital product. That tells Gumroad you'll be delivering files or access links online rather than shipping something physical. Give your product a clear benefit-driven name. Think about what your audience is searching for and what outcome the product delivers. A strong name helps with discoverability and conversions right away. Next, set your price and continue. You can choose a fixed amount, or if available on your account, use a pay what you want model with a minimum price. If you're unsure, start with a fair baseline and adjust later based on demand and feedback. Remember, you can run discounts later without changing your core price. Now add your product details. Write a concise, compelling description that explains what the buyer gets, who it's for, and how it helps. Make it skimmable with short paragraphs. Upload your digital files such as PDFs, zips, audio, or video, or add access links if you're delivering through a private folder or a course page. Add a cover image or thumbnail that looks good at small sizes, and include gallery images or a short preview if you have them. Use tags thoughtfully so your product is easier to categorize and find. Move into the settings to fine-tune the experience, then continue. Here you can customize the product URL slug, choose whether the product is public, unlisted, or kept as a draft, and set post-purchase options like a thank you message or a redirect link. If you sell PDFs, consider enabling stamping to deter unauthorized sharing. For software or templates with different tiers, configure variants and license keys if needed. You can also specify what information to collect at checkout, such as the buyer's name or any required fields for fulfillment. Before you go live, preview everything. Check the product page on desktop and mobile, confirm the files download correctly, proofread your copy, and make sure your cover image crops well. When you're satisfied, click publish. Your product page is now live and ready to share. Copy the link from the dashboard, add it to your social profiles or website, and you're ready to start selling.